Hey guys, I'm back with my Citrus Twist Life Crafted kit. It came in the mail today. And this is not part of the kit. This is an extra stamp kit that you can subscribe to. And oh my goodness, look at those hearts. Oh, look at the tiny one. Anyway, sorry, my voice is coming back a little bit. You can't tell at the moment, but I haven't talked a whole lot today, so I don't really know where we stand with my voice, but we're going to try and get through this. Look at that. Adorable. I love that set. My desk is a hot mess. I've been doing some off-screen playing, and so yeah, anyway, such is life. Okay, so you always get your handy-dandy thingamabobber here, and it normally always comes with a little card. This is Love Stories kit. Brokenness, but isn't free of brokenness, but it's full of healing and redemption. I absolutely love that. I'm going to put that on just my board up here because it's so true. You know, people think love is all great and googly woogly all the time, but it's not. See, life takes us to the unexpected places. Love takes us home. Oh, ooh, look at that. These are the 4x6 cards you get, and this, I guess this is something they're starting, I guess this is what? 1, 2, 3 by 8? I don't know. There was one in the last kit too. You get your cut apart labels still. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at that one. Oh, polka dots, a beautiful day. Oh, look at those hearts. I love that it all matches. I have literally, once I'm done, not necessarily done, but I've moved on to waiting for my next kit. I just mishmash all of it together, and it's pretty much good to go. You know, you don't really have to worry about it not matching anything, so that's awesome. You get this humongous tag, which gosh, I don't remember the lady I watched, but she basically made her, sorry, I don't know if that's going to help, her own background on it. Might have been Dearly D. I don't remember. Anyway. Ooh wee. Look at these gold. And I love this size. Perfection. Oh, and this is what I was really waiting to see, because hearts. You know what's not to love? Excuse me. Love them. Those are puffy too, by the way. Alright, we got some cards here. Oh, look at that one, y'all. I got a huge... Okay, so my birthday's coming up in March, so it's not really coming up, but it's around the corner. And I'm planning on getting another light for that side over there. Love is life. Oh, what up? Oh, I love that. I like that they have a few extras with sayings in them, because I found myself needing those more than like the journaling kind lately. I don't journal a whole lot. I do occasionally, if, you know, because I don't have, oh, I love that one recorded. I don't do the weekly layouts. Sorry. Oh, okay, that's right. So all my pictures don't always have journaling to go with it, basically. Anyway, this is the ephemera. Butterflies. I love that it comes with all those words. You are art. Oh, that's cute. That's good for my daughter. And they're pretty good size. They're not horrible or anything. Sorry about that. So these are acetate. Is that the right word? Clear. So we got to take these out to look at them, because they're not regular ephemera. Am I right? Oh, look at these hearts. You're not going to be able to see that in my hand. Okay, here, let's put some on here. Just going to pull a few out so you can see them. I don't want to make a mess, because this is what I'll do. The two of us. Oh, look at these. Choose happy. Look at that butterfly. I guess it's got some letters in there. Numbers. So yeah, that's, I mean, this is jam-packed. Look at all these hearts. Okay, sorry guys. And of course you do get your stamp set, which used to be, is it that size? No, I don't think that's right. Maybe it is. I think it used to be this size and now it's this size. Anyway, you get what I'm saying. It's bigger. Oh, look at that. They do, they used to do the cutouts with those. I think they had a few cutouts. It might have been on the free ones, but look at the heart. Love begins at home. I shall love you always, always, always. Love looks a lot like love. This looks a lot like love. You're my person. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this one. Good job, Miss Trina. You're the best. And then last, and of course not least, these chipboard pieces. I love them. That's all I got to say about that. I love them. It's a good little bit too. So anyway, I did want to show you guys real quick. I did a tiny little haul. I just happened to go into Hobby Lobby today. I was really just trying to get some me time in and away from the house and just chill. My daughter was just baptized this morning. So I went to see that. She doesn't go to the same church as me. So she goes with her father's side. So, anyway, I went to see that and I thought, you know what, let me go peruse Hobby Lobby because why not? Am I right? And I don't know if you know, if you follow me on my Facebook page, New Creation, you'll see some of my yarn work. I am at best an amateur at this, but this has like a glitter in it. So I plan on, this was all 30% off too, the yarn. So I plan on doing, there's a young girl in my life group who is having a baby girl. And I'm thinking I might make her a little, like cardigan and a little booty out of it. And then for the things that were not clearanced, I grabbed a new, this is what I use my coupon on. I almost never, this is the highest thing I've ever used a coupon on, I think, because everything I always get is always on clearance. So I got a new one of these though, because this one isn't pink and I've had it for like 10 years. So I'll pop this into my extra file and I'll have these. And it came with blades, so I used it. It was only like $3, I think. They did have their stickers on sale, which I only picked up one pack. But aren't they adorable? I loved because they had these tiny ones. You're amazing, believe you can. I just thought that was really cute. So I grabbed those. But I happened upon the clearance. Apparently they were redoing, sorry, I don't know where to put that. Clearance. Anyway, I grabbed 2 of these. They're like mirrors and they were 99 cents. Love, because you know love. That's always usable. The glare is just not working with me here, guys. Nope. And then some more arrows, because I thought I didn't get these, but apparently I did. And this die for $2.49. It says hello. I just thought that was so cute. I am dreading having to glue it down, but I'll probably use my sticker maker if it works, if it'll fit, because it's only so much space you can fit in there. And then I grabbed these, $2.49 for 50 cards that I already have the background to them, and all I really have to do is add sentiments, but it's gold and silver. Those are some, oh, gold and silver, okay. I love these. I actually have some paper that looks similar to these, so. Just want to see what the gold one looks like the straight gold one. No, but even if I cut this out and pop it on here, especially like this one, yeah, like a black or something, that's like a real quick card, especially if you know, I'm getting them ready for the church to do their thing that they do every year. If you watch me, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, Normally $11.99. I got them for $2.50. So, all right. Hope you guys have a great day, great Saturday, great weekend, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and hop over to my Facebook. Check it out. Follow me. See you later. Bye.